Can you hear that? You don't even need to pop the hood for this. Very, very bad shape. I do not feel safe driving this at any speed. Very, very bad. Very, very bad. Serious mechanical issues. Again, the estimates for the repairs for all that noise coming from the engine. What Corwin Toyota came up with: water pump replacement. The water pump is leaking coolant and making a rattling noise. Recommend replacement. The water pump is causing the noise from the engine bay. Estimate for that, just under $1,750, $1,749.48. And again, you know the estimate for all the mechanical repairs, $6,265.33.